Mariah, come inside. Come inside right now. Mariah, come inside. Come here. Come here right now.
Mariah, come here.
Mariah, inside. Let's go.
Come on in.
Move it. Come on.
Come.
Come inside.
Mariah, come inside. It's cold. Mariah, come inside.
Move from here. It's wet. Mariah, come here. I said come here. Get inside. I'm going to tell your mom. I'm calling your mom. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get inside.
Come here.
You see how fast you come when I say I'm going to tell your mom?
That helps remove this body fat and reduce your weight.
Mariah, my mom's going to tell me.